Japan's car culture has always been known for creativity, individuality, and a fearless approach to customization. While many special editions come from major automakers, some of the most exciting ideas emerge from independent tuners. One standout is Ludix, a rising Japanese workshop dedicated to turning everyday Volkswagens into rugged, adventure-ready machines. Their vision is simple but bold: build vehicles for work, play, and everything in between. For now, their specialty focuses on the Volkswagen New Beetle, Beetle, and Golf, but the team plans to expand into Mercedes, Porsche, and Audi platforms in the future. Ludix brings a Baja-inspired spirit, mixed with JDM flair, starting with the iconic New Beetle from 1997 to 2011. The once cute retro hatchback is reborn as a trail-tough explorer. A substantial lift kit gives it newfound ground clearance, while fresh wheels wrapped in Toyo Open Country all-terrain tires boost its off-road capability. A matte wrap and rugged accessories set the tone, including a sturdy bull bar, bolt-on fender extensions, a roof rack complete with spare tire and LED lighting, and a rear rack for additional cargo. Despite the dramatic exterior transformation, the model keeps its stock 2.0-liter TSI engine, creating a reliable yet bold adventure machine. The tuning magic continues with the last-generation Beetle produced between 2011 and 2019. This version channels the factory Beetle Dune theme, but with an even more rugged twist. It shares steel wheels, chunky all-terrain tires, fender flares, a roof rack, and dual-tone wraps with its predecessor. The suspension lift is milder, but the off-road styling is just as strong, making the Beetle look ready to leave pavement behind. Ludix then turns its attention to the Volkswagen Golf Mark 7, applying similar off-road character. The result is far more adventurous than the factory Golf All-Track and reminiscent of the rare 1990s Golf Country. Black steel wheels, grippy all-terrain tires, and increased ride height of about 70 millimeters give the Golf a stance even taller than the Tiguan. The bumpers are finished in a textured coating designed not for cost-cutting, but for durability, resisting stone chips and trail wear. Optional wraps, decals, roof racks, and auxiliary LEDs complete the transformation. Interestingly, the project is based on a Golf Comfort Line Blue Motion with a 1.2-liter TSI engine and front-wheel drive. But Ludix confirms the parts are compatible with many Golf 7 variants, including 4Motion and the torquier 2.0 TDI option, which opens the door for even more capable builds. Ludix offers its creations in multiple forms. Buyers can purchase fully customized vehicles, opt for complete conversion packages, or choose individual components to upgrade their own cars. For the Golf 7, the GNC package ranges from 550,000 to 900,000 yen, roughly $3,500 to $5,700. The more extreme New Beetle upgrades climb up to 1.7 million yen, or about $10,800. A look at Ludix's social media shows the creativity doesn't stop there, with builds like a lifted Polo Mark IV proving that no VW is off-limits. Ludix's approach blends off-road functionality with Japanese tuning style, giving Volkswagen models a new personality and opening fresh possibilities for adventure-focused enthusiasts. Their builds show that even the most familiar cars can develop a wild side when reimagined with passion and craftsmanship.